Like trying to move it out of the way so you can go, I think.
He's trying to move the...
Yeah.
Perfect. I can move it for you. Here, I'm moving it. Do you want me to move it? Is that what you want me to do? Let go. You driving your car? You driving the car? Here he comes. Oh, the big bear.
I love the bear. We played with it for a while this morning.
The big bear. Pat pat the bear. Pat pat. Oh, give it a kiss. Oh, giving it a kiss. Is your car stuck? Here you go.
On my way. Here I go.
Can't are good for the paint job. Driving it. There he goes. There he goes.